Hello Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 18th and the 19th of June. Aquarius, your channel cards are Shark and Judgment. So I'm getting Aquarius, there can only be one, can't be two. Perhaps somebody wants you to share the title, but you did not come out a twin, so therefore you do not share. So I'm getting there only can be one Aquarius. I'm getting the last man standing or the last woman standing. I'm not sure if this is a competition where males and females are going up against each other. Either way, there only can be one. And I'm getting you looking like the one that's going to be selected. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aquarius. I'm getting all or nothing. Okay? I'm getting you're not share nothing. You're not share the prize. You're not share the winnings. You're not share the spotlight. It's one or not, is you or nothing. You were not born a twin, therefore sharing is not in your blood clot birth chart. And even if your mother was pregnant with twins, apparently one died in the womb, so you're worse not sharing. You never even want to share the womb with your twin. You kill your blood clot twin in order to come out alone. Therefore they should not expect you to share shit. Go ahead and go into your reading. We have the death card. Yeah, you kill your blood. Yeah, were you a twin in the womb? Perhaps that's why somebody why you're so comfortable with sharing. Sharing with a woman, sharing with a man. I'm not sure if you was a boy-girl twin, or I'm not sure if you were a girl-girl twin. But what we do know is only one baby made it out of that mother's womb, and it was you. So we don't know what the fuck happened. We don't know if your twin was the evil one and him didn't want to kill you, but him end up tying that umbilical cord around him own throat. Or we don't know if you were the evil one who you didn't want to share the womb, so you put the umbilical cord around your twin's throat. But what we do know is if you can kill your own twin in the blood clot womb, chances are you ain't sharing shit with nobody. Not in this blood clot earth. You wouldn't even share the womb with the eggs that was impregnated at the same time. You killed your own twin that was in your mother's belly. Now, I don't know if you killed them when they were coming out, or if you killed them while they were in there. We don't fucking know. But what we do know is if you can be that so-called selfish, if you take out your own blood clot, brother or sister that you share an amniotic sac with, then I don't see why the fuck them want you to share or wait on shit. You obviously were born prepared to have something for yourself. The death card. Maybe you're supposed to share something with a Scorpio. No. Maybe a Scorpio was supposed to share something with you and your mother killed you first. You killed your own motherfucking twin in the womb because you was like, I ain't sharing shit. You want another baby, get pregnant again. You ain't fucking having two at once. This is my day. This is my birth chart. This is my time to fucking shine. And now you want to have two babies at once? No, you're going to kill that fucking kid that's in the womb and make sure you're the only motherfucking kid that comes out alive. So what the fuck them want your blood clot share upon earth? We have the Hangman. Yeah, you literally hang your fucking twin. We have the Justice card. We have the Three of Swords. And we also have the King of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting something about this man. Him want you share. When want you share? Rent? Residency? Clothes? When want you share? Man? Him want you share a woman? What the fuck him want you share? A name? Him want you share a last name? You should share a bank account. You should share... I'll share food. If that's what you want, I can't share my food. I never be mean with food. If I have money, I will share money. But I ain't sharing fuck else. You should share. For fucking what? Jesus Christ never shared that blood clot exile. The death card is clarified by the terror. Yeah. Me getting sun and moon. Me getting something about boy and girl twins. Well, apparently you did kill the boy. Apparently you were the stronger baby. The Hangman is clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting something about your mother did resent you because she was pregnant with twins. Only one came out. I'm getting your mother resented you. She said that you killed the baby. You killed your twin in the womb. I mean, that may be true. It could be true that you did kill a twin. I'm getting that's who she blame it on. She blame you because maybe your mother didn't want a boy. She was pregnant with boy and girl. I'm getting for some reason the umbilical cord was wrapped around the boy's neck. The boy never made it, but the girl did. And if you see that maybe you're very masculine and feminine, that may be the reason why you used to share an amniotic sac with a boy. I'm getting you did kill the boy in the belly. You probably didn't want to fucking share. I could see that. The Justice card is clarified by the 10 of Swords. The 3 of Swords is clarified by the 8 of Cups. I'm getting after that your mother became an alcoholic and she blamed you. I'm getting your mother blamed the fucking baby in the stomach for the reason why her second baby wasn't born. Well, that bitch should have got pregnant a second time. Surely if you're willing to stretch out your pussy one time, you will do it 2 times. The King of Swords is clarified by the 2 of Wands. Maybe somebody want you to share something with your brother. No, tell that nigga to get him own blood clot platform. The fuck you sharing with your brother for fucking what? You going to share with your brother and your brother going to get a wife. That make blood clot sense? You must share with your brother and then your brother will fuck a girl and give the girl everything. So anything you share with him gonna share with the girl him fucking. No thank you. You're not sharing with a blood clot, man. You for share with your father and then your father fuck a new girl and your evil stepmother no want you have nothing. No thank you. If you was willing to kill your own blood clot sibling in the womb so that you could rightfully be the crown of something, I don't say why you have to come out in this public and share with nobody. You're not sharing with a blood clot sister, no mother, no father, no brother, no blood clot friend. You will get the power, you will get the money, and you will decide who you want to share it with. But ain't no fucking way any type of blood clot legal document is going to say you have to get half. Half a blood clot what? You think you can fuck half a pussy? No. We have Capricorn. We have mental health. We have Aries. We have MK Ultra. What you were supposed to, that was supposed to be it, and you were supposed to be so taken aback because how dare you kill your own sibling in the womb? Okay, well obviously sibling was not strong enough, and who wants to share the womb with a weak ass sibling? I know you come out in this world, and because you're blamed for the death of your so-called fetus, the more you share your name. Yeah, one man have to use your name. Share your name, share rent, share your clothes, share your shoes. Your mother never share her pussy and still she was left with nothing. And we have Virgo. I'm saying you not blood clot share not with nobody. You kill your own blood clot. Brother or sister in the womb, so you would be the only one, and you plan to keep it that blood clot way. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.